Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Now the last two videos are basically all you need to know about Telethon, but today I'm going to be talking about functions in Telethon and how to use them, how to send them back to the user, and a basic command system which can be used in your programs. Now we're going to be using a special library today, and we'll get into that right after the intro. If you're ready for this video, like down below, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, so now everything is green. You're just going to want to import PyJokes. You might not use it because you might want to be doing some other things, but it's the library that I'm going to use in today's video. Next thing I want you to do is pip install it in your terminal. So try to install PyJokes. Mine is taking a bit of time. Right, there we are. Now pip install PyJokes. And it's not going to take much time if you've already installed it in command prompt. It's just going to install it in our virtual environment. But if you haven't installed it before, it's going to take a bit of time. But then, as you can see, I've installed it. So now I'm just going to change this command. So instead of quit, we're going to use if exclamation joke is in the command. So it's going to say, if you send exclamation joke, it's going to reply to you a random Pythonic joke. Now, we're going to reply with a function, and it's going to be pyjokes dot get joke, because we only need one joke. So for every time you send this, it's going to send a new random joke. Now, you can also create your own functions and use them inside here. And also, you can also make a game with a dictionary database. I made one, but I'm going to be showing it in the conclusion of this series. For now, I just wanted to show that you can use functions. Now, to prevent errors because of some functions, you can use the string form of this. Instead of the integer or the function or whatever, just use the string to be able to send the message, because that's going to cause a lot of errors if you don't. Once you've done that, you can just save and run like we usually do. And as you can see, another thing that I should have added it, but I kind of forgot, is after the client connection here, print connected. Because as you can see, it prints connected here. It's kind of hard to tell if it's connected if you don't print connected, because Telethon doesn't tell you when it's connected. So just printing this message after it's connected, it's really helpful for you to know when the client has connected. If that helped you out, tell me in the comments, and I'll be sure to check it out. But anyways, let's test it in Telegram. Alright, so I'm here in my Telegram saved messages. I'm just gonna pin it to the top so that you can see it. But yeah, people are messaging me right now. We're gonna send hi, and it replies with hello exclamation joke. I'm just going to copy this because I'm going to do it a few times. I'm not going to show my reaction. If you expected to see that, sorry to disappoint. I'm just going to read a few of these. I might cut it out later, but oh no, but as you can see, the function is working, and it returns a random joke each time, just as defined in the pyjokes function. So you can use it also in your programs, and it's going to work. Now in the next video, I'm going to be showing you a bigger program which you can also make that it's going to be more of a mini game in Telegram. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below, hit subscribe if you haven't done that, because it's really important so that you do not miss more of my future videos. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.